Do you want to improve your fitness, but struggle to find the time to go to the gym? What if you could get better results, in less time, from the comfort of your own home? With just a few simple exercises, you can build strength, improve mobility, and boost your overall health without any fancy equipment. In this video, we'll show you the top 8 easy home exercises that will help you get fit and feel great. No gym required. These exercises are perfect for beginners and can easily be done in your living room, making fitness convenient, cost-effective, and fun. So, let's get started and discover how you can transform your body right at home. 1. Squats. Let's start with one of the most effective exercises you can do at home: squats. This simple yet powerful move targets your legs, core, and lower back, making it an all-around body-strengthening exercise. Squats help improve lower body strength, which is essential for daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, and even standing up. Plus, they promote better posture by engaging your core muscles. Squats activate multiple muscle groups at once, including your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calves. This makes squats a great exercise for building strength and increasing mobility. Squats are also excellent for enhancing your joint health, particularly your knees and hips. If you're aiming to improve your athletic performance or prevent injury, squats should definitely be part of your routine. You can incorporate squats into any workout routine by doing multiple sets of 12 to 15 reps. Want to add a bit more challenge? Try jump squats or sumo squats to target different muscle areas. 2. Bridges. Next, we have bridges, a fantastic exercise to strengthen your glutes, lower back, and core. By lying on your back with your feet flat on the floor, you lift your hips toward the ceiling, engaging your glutes and core for support. Bridges not only tone your muscles, but also help improve hip mobility, making it easier to move around throughout the day. Bridges are great for people suffering from lower back pain, as they target the muscles that support the spine. They also help activate and strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, which is beneficial for overall health. You can make them more challenging by adding weight or performing single-leg bridges to target each side individually. Bridges also help with balance and stability, since they require you to maintain control over your body as you lift and lower your hips. Whether you're recovering from an injury or just want to increase strength, bridges are an accessible exercise to include in your daily routine. 3. Knee push-ups. Let's move on to knee push-ups, a great variation of the classic push-up that's easier on your joints, but still effective for strengthening the upper body. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, arms, and core, helping to build upper body strength over time. By performing push-ups on your knees, you reduce the strain on your wrists and shoulders, making this a beginner-friendly version. Knee push-ups help with core stability, as they engage your abdominal muscles to maintain a straight body position. As you get stronger, you can transition to regular push-ups or add variations like incline push-ups to challenge your upper body even more. Not only do push-ups improve muscle strength, but they also help with bone density by putting weight on your upper body. For the best results, focus on keeping your back flat and your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Performing push-ups in a slow, controlled manner will maximize their benefits. 4. Banded rotation pull-apart. The banded rotation pull-apart is a fantastic exercise to target your shoulders and upper back, which are areas that often don't get the attention they deserve. Using a resistance band, you extend your arms in front of you, then pull the band apart while rotating your torso. This movement is excellent for improving shoulder stability, posture, and core strength. This exercise is particularly beneficial if you spend long hours sitting at a desk or have poor posture, as it strengthens the muscles around the scapula, shoulder blades, and helps correct alignment. The resistance band adds an extra challenge, increasing the effectiveness of the movement by providing constant tension throughout the exercise. Incorporating this exercise into your routine can improve flexibility and mobility in the shoulder joint, reducing the risk of injury. To make it harder, you can adjust the tension of the band or add more reps. 5. Downward dog to high plank. Next up is the downward dog to high plank, a dynamic move that combines the benefits of both strength and flexibility. Starting in a downward dog position, you shift your weight into a high plank, engaging your shoulders, core, and legs. This exercise works multiple muscle groups, from your arms and shoulders to your legs and core, making it an efficient full-body movement. The downward dog to high plank combo is perfect for improving core strength and balance, while also increasing flexibility in your hamstrings, calves, and spine. This move is great for both strengthening and mobility. As you flow from downward dog to high plank, focus on maintaining a straight back and engaging your core muscles to avoid sagging in the lower back. By regularly practicing this exercise, you can also promote joint health by lengthening and stretching muscles that might otherwise be tight from sitting or lack of movement. To challenge yourself, hold each position for longer periods, or increase the speed of transitioning between the two poses. 6. Side lunge. The side lunge is an excellent exercise for targeting your lower body, specifically your glutes, quads, and inner thighs. This move is great for increasing hip mobility and improving your balance. By stepping out to the side and lunging down, you activate muscles that help with everyday movements like walking, bending, and lifting. In addition to strengthening your legs, the side lunge also engages your core to maintain proper posture and stability. It's a functional movement that enhances your ability to move in different directions, which is great for both sports and general physical activity. The more you practice side lunges, the better you'll get at lateral movements and developing strength for everyday tasks. To get the most out of the side lunge, focus on keeping your knee aligned with your foot to avoid injury. You can increase the difficulty by adding dumbbells or holding a weight in front of you for extra resistance. 7. Bicycle crunch. Bicycle crunches are one of the most effective exercises for working your core, especially your rectus abdominis, the front muscles of the stomach, and obliques, the muscles on the sides of your torso. This movement targets multiple areas at once, improving core strength, posture, and balance. By lying on your back and bringing your knees toward your chest while twisting your torso to alternate sides, you activate both your abdominal and oblique muscles, making it a powerful move for building a toned midsection. This exercise also helps with coordination and endurance, which are essential for many athletic activities and daily tasks. To maximize the effectiveness of the bicycle crunch, make sure to keep your lower back pressed into the floor as you twist, and engage your core to avoid straining your neck or shoulders. For an added challenge, try increasing the tempo of your movements or incorporating a resistance band around your legs. Bicycle crunches can be done anywhere and require no special equipment, making them a fantastic addition to your home workout routine. 8. Banded fire hydrant. The banded fire hydrant is an excellent exercise for targeting your glutes, specifically the gluteus medius, which is essential for improving hip stability, balance, and overall leg strength. Using a resistance band around your legs, you lift one leg to the side, keeping your core engaged and your back straight. This move strengthens your lower body and helps improve your ability to perform functional movements like walking, climbing stairs, or squatting. By adding resistance, the banded fire hydrant increases the intensity of the exercise, helping to build more muscle in the glutes and hips. Stronger glutes improve hip mobility, reduce the risk of injury, and enhance athletic performance. This exercise also engages your core as you work to stabilize your body while lifting your leg, helping to improve balance and coordination. For better results, make sure to keep your hips square as you lift your leg to avoid over-rotating. Perform the exercise slowly and with control to ensure proper form and avoid any strain. To increase the difficulty, add more resistance by using a thicker band or performing the exercise with a longer hold at the top of each repetition. And that wraps up our top 8 easy home exercises for better fitness. These exercises are simple, effective, and can be done from the comfort of your own home, making them perfect for anyone looking to improve their strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. Remember, consistency is key, so try incorporating these moves into your daily routine, and over time, you'll start to see impressive results. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts you can do at home. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.